TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions, trade of the day, what to expect short term, and what to expect going to the end of the year. Disclosures are very important. I'm going to go through a specific trading example. I encourage you to read the disclosures, pause the screen if you need more time, and if you're new to trading stock and options, it's important to understand the risks associated with trading options. So I suggest to visit optionscreening.com, look at this link to understand the risk associated with trading options. All right, let's review the market conditions. I'm looking at a model. This is our main model, Stock Forecast Toolbox. Based on artificial intelligence, it's a model that uses neural networks to learn on the data and make predictions going forward. So for different time frame, for the next 10 days, model sees that the market can reach 380 level, and it also on the upside and on the downside revisit 359, 357 level. I agree with the model. Next 10 days, I think we're trading in the range going into midterm elections. So I agree with the model on for the next 10 days. Beyond next 10 days, model is negative, right? So in the next 6 months, since this is a model that looks same model, but each data point is 1 month. So in the next 6 months, right, in the next 6 months, this should be 6 months. All right, in the next 6 months, the model is negative. Support is at 337 and overhead resistance 395. So I agree with the model. I think short term, I'm bullish on the market. I think the bottom is in place till the end of the year, and we will break to the upside. So we'll reach 380 level sometime next week, and after election, probably break to the upside. 390 model calls for 400 level. So I agree with that. On the downside, I think it's just a matter of time, probably not this year, most likely next year, but early next year, January, February, I think we will revisit the lows 350 and break through them. Looking at the earnings, it's all about earnings. You can see some of the earnings like Tesla is down, breaking through the support, most likely will continue to go lower for the next 6 months. And you have examples of Netflix, right? Netflix, where you had after a strong sell-off, you do have a rebound on better than expected earnings. So there are some exceptions to the rule, but most of them are, you just look at the spiders and we're trading in the range, right? So for now, I would assume we will, actually, I think the lows are in place, but model calls next 10 days, 357, okay, I agree with that, and then 380. And then after midterm election, I think we do break out and potentially revisit 400 level. So that's the scenario that I'm trading, the current scenario that I'm trading till the end of this year. How do I trade? Trading is about, in the live trading room, I actually went over that example, is about selling. The option strategy, the most popular strategy is selling out of the money premium, because the VIX is at upper range of where it's been for the past 2 years, you know, around 40, right? Right now it's 30, but it's been 36, 37. So selling premium, option premium is one way to do it. If you're using stocks, I would use dollar cost average, right? Using dollar cost average. But selling the premium, this is an example where I'm basically looking at FCX announcing earnings today. I put a trade yesterday, basically saying that it's a 2 sigma move, that the stock will trade in the range between 31.5 and 25.5. I was able to collect 10 cents and 12 cents, 20 cents on a $25 stock. It's about close to 75 basis points, close to 1% profit, and close the short put now and trying to close the short call. So doing iron counter and hedging your position. So during earnings season, half of the volume actually right now is the weekly options. So if you repeat this trade every week, and you can gain, you know, even 0.5% gain, it does compound. So that would be the strategy going forward. You know, I'm going to do the same trade on Schlumberger, very similar trade that announced earnings tonight. I encourage you to participate in YouTube. Again, it's very important to be part of the community, not to trade alone. Share the knowledge, exchange the knowledge. We're giving you this opportunity on our YouTube channel. On Wednesday, morning bell and closing bell, you can participate live. We had a lot of people joining us, 71 people live. If you like the content, please click on subscribe, hit on like button, YouTube likes, I like buttons, and share if you're any part of trading forums. Thank you very much and have a great day.